Hey guys, it's Erica. Right now I am at Green Thumb Nursery, so we're finally gonna do a nursery tour. I really miss doing nursery tours, but quick note, if you notice a ton of ads on this video, or like 30-second ads on this video, it's because for 30 days I'm going to be donating the ad revenue this video makes to a Black Lives Matter organization. I'm going to be doing that for the whole entire June. Okay, so I want to just jump in here really quickly and kind of try to explain what I was saying. For the next 30 days I'm going to be donating the AdSense that this video makes, and I'm going to be doing that for every single video that I post in June. So each video in June is going to get 30 days of its ad revenue donated to a Black Lives Matter organization. The mini for this video is going to be going to Reclaim the Block. I'm going to have a link to their site down below so you can check it out if you want to, but I feel like that's a better explanation of what's going on. So yeah, we're gonna get back to the video. I'm so excited to be back doing another nursery tour, and let's see what they got. All right, oh my gosh, I don't know what that bell is for, but we're here. Sansevieria Gold Flame. These are cool. They're very dark colors. They have a lot of Sansevieria here. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm wearing a mask. Cylindrica. Oh my gosh, look at this. What's gonna happen? Oh, here are the African violets. These are really pretty flowers. They're so ruffly. And then this one has like a white edging. Speckled leaf flowers. These are some really Aglaonemas for $70, $69.99. These are silver base, and then these red ones. Aglaonema Splash, $39.99. They have resurrection plants here. I've never like had a resurrection plant or tried to resurrect one for $8. That's kind of cool. And then over here we have some Venus flytraps and this guy over here, octopus plant, $9.99 each. That's pretty cool. I've been wanting more carnivorous plants. There's some Pileas. These are like the smallest benjamina ficuses I've ever seen. And they're $13.99. They're so tiny. Oh my gosh. These Pileas here are crazy though. They're like all kinds of sizes. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then here are some Raphidophoras. These are $20 each. I think that's a good price for them. So if you want one, this is the spot. This is the spot to get them. There's 3 of them here for $20. Some more Aglaonemas. Calathea rufibarbra, $16.99. Medallion, $16.99. Makoyana, $16.99. We also have some baby ones here for $11.99. Over here, there's some Dracaenas. Are these only $1.99? Oh, $6.99. I saw only the top of the 6 and I thought it said $1.99. Like that. I was like, dang, that's a good price. I think at IKEA they're $1.99 though. And then a zebra plant, $6.99. A Camille for $5.99. Really baby ones. some Rossos. And this looks like a lipstick plant. It's kind of falling apart though. $6.99. Oh, you can see, maybe this is a goldfish plant. Like a red goldfish plant. I don't think I've seen that. That's cool. And then here just, I think these are, I don't know what these are. Let's see. Yeah, these are goldfish plants. Okay. And then I think this is like a red goldfish plant. And then these are orange ones. So that's cool. And then some, oh my gosh, look how sparkly these are. Wow. This is $5.99. I finally have mastered being able to take care of these, so mine, like this, is thriving also. It has all the little rat tails everywhere too. Some Enjoy Pothos, $5.99. Oh, there's some bigger goldfish plants up here. Oh, these are really big. Wow, look at this. I don't think I've ever seen a leaf this big. Wow, that's crazy. This is $15.99. I can't wait till mine looks like this. What the heck? Mine's leaves aren't like this shiny, I don't think. This sparkly, like almost metallic. And then we have some Scheffleras. This is an Alpine, some Alpine June, something like that. This is $12.99. I really like it. I really like Scheffleras. I feel like they've grown on me a lot. Ficus, Decora, Tineke. Okay, so these are Tineke rubber trees. $13.99. This one's really pink. I love the pink. Here's some Peperomia obtusifolia. Yeah, it's an obtusifolia. I keep mixing up a Hoya ovata, and then a Peperomia obtusifolia. I don't know why. And there's a variegated one over here too. And then another one. I think this one is my favorite variegation of that. And of course, some ZZ plants. This one is $20. And then Adenium, $29.99. This is a devil's backbone, $7.99. There is a singular sensitive plant right here. I kind of want a sensitive plant. I feel like they're difficult to care for. This is $6.99. Let's see what the care is. Place in medium light, moderately moist. Oh no, I touched it. I feel bad touching their leaves, but it's so cool. Okay, I guess I'll touch one to show you guys. Wow, that didn't even work. This guy is like desensitized. Oh, that kind of makes me sad. Okay, we're gonna leave it alone. Oh, there's some leaves closed up right here. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. Wow, I feel like it's been touched a lot. Oh, poor little plant. Okay. There's some baby little staghorns here for $6.99. And then also some carry eyes. Again, I wouldn't recommend buying them in this form, but they are the most common and the cheapest. So I don't know if you want to take that risk. There's Hoya carnosus here. These are $12.99 each. They all look pretty good. 4 of them. Of course, a lot of begonias. Yay. This is also the season of caladiums, so there's a ton of caladiums everywhere. They're so pretty. These are like watermelon colored ones. And these are $6.99. Some Maidenhair Ferns. And then some crazy begonias. They all look so different. Oh, what is that? They look crazy. And there are the spider plants over here. They have their reverse variegated for $11.99. And then they have the regular ones for $11.99 also. And this one, this is called a Camosum Hawaiian. That one's $11.99. I really love these begonias so much. They're so pretty. Look at these. I kind of wanted like an orange one, like, oh my gosh, look at that. Or a pink one. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I should get one though. Oh. I spotted these little baby cactuses. They're gonna bloom. I kind of want one just so I could see it bloom. They're so cute. Little cacti with flowers are like the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm gonna buy one. They're like little pink cacti too. So right now we are in the succulent section. We got some Crassula Campfires for $4.99. What is this? Schefflera. This is really pretty colors. Like purple and greenish, kind of. These are all, well, never mind. This is an Schefflera, this is an Schefflera. Algasthera. I don't know, maybe this is like a Ripsalis. Yeah, I don't know what kind it is though. This is a very densely packed one. What are these? These feel kind of like a chameleon toe looks like it would feel. What is this? No idea. This really feels like how a chameleon toe looks like it feels. That is so weird. Kalanchoe. Oh, look at these. Usually these are really big. Well, these are still kind of big, but they're in a 4-inch pot, so. This is the smallest pot I've ever seen one fit in. They kind of look like butterflies. Oh, look at these. These are like fuzzy and pink too. Wow, it's like satin. That is so cool. It's called an Echeveria hermsii. And then we got some baby necklaces. They're really cute. They kind of look like caterpillars. There's some more little babies down here. Some old man cactuses. I got one from Home Depot. My own little old man cactus, but mine is in like a little 4-inch because this thing is big and he's $174. And okay, so $175. Some giant bear paws. Wow, there's a lot of fuzzy plants. I don't think there were these many like fuzzy plants before. And then we also have the ravioli little plants. Kind of similar ones here. Oh, what is this one? Moon Glow. I like the little compacted stacking ones. They look really cool. Oh, and then some Fizzle Sizzles. $12.99. These are really curly. Oh, and they have little flowers coming out. Wow, these look really well cared for. I think like they're in lava rock. I don't know if that's called lava rock, but it's in some kind of rock. I think it's called lava rock. We have some cacti over here. I thought that these were called moon glows. Some afterglows, something glow, because the colors are really cool. They're like neon. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it looks like it's a really cool coloring. I think this is the coolest coloring on a succulent that I've ever seen. But I think this is only $20.99. I don't know if that's a good price. I don't remember what good prices are, but it's pretty big to be $21. My little babies over here, little ponytail palm for $25. A Thanksgiving cactus back there. Oh, look at this one. This one is like a cocoon, like a spider web cocoon. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I feel like it was kind of short. I don't know how it actually was. I hope you could hear me. I forgot to mention in the beginning that I was wearing a mask. So I really hope you could hear me, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!